Hi friends, in today's video we would be studying about the glue operators of Excel. I call them as glue operators because they do the job of sticking the words together. I'll demonstrate with the help of three operators and concat and text join. Let us first begin with the operator AND. Here I have three words in three separate columns, quarter, four and summary. I want to join them in one column. So we'll come on this cell and we'll type equal to. Then we click on this cell. Then we use the AND operator. Then we click on this cell. Then we use the AND operator. And we click on this cell. Finally, we'll press and enter. And we get all the three text together. However, if I want a space between quarter and four and also between 4 and summary, here's what you'll do. So you'll begin by typing equal to, then you'll click on this cell, then you'll type and in quotation marks you'll give a blank space, then you'll give a then click on this cell, then you'll click and give a and again in quotation marks you'll give a blank space, and then you'll give a and finally click on this cell and click on enter. And now we get a space between quarter and 4 and between 4 and summary. This was the AND operator. Let me show you the glue function with the help of concat. So I'll begin by typing equal to, then I type concat and then I give open bracket. Now in concat, I can just highlight my cells like this, as many cells I have. Then I'll close bracket and I'll hit enter. And you see that the text gets joined. However, if I want a space between each of them, then you'll type equal to concat, then you'll give open bracket, click on the first cell, then give a comma, in quotation marks, give a blank space, then give a comma, then click on the second cell, again give a comma, again in quotation marks give a blank space, then give a comma, click on the third cell, close bracket and hit enter, and now you have a space between the three words. Finally, we'll see the text join function. So I'll type equal to, then I will type text join, then I'll give open bracket. Now it is first asking me the delimiter. So in quotation marks, I'll give a blank space as a delimiter. Then I give a comma. If I want to ignore the empty cells, I'll click on true. Then I'll give a comma. And then I'll highlight my cells this way. And then I'll close the bracket and I'll hit enter. And I get the result. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.